The three of you went to live at this residence. Meanwhile, what does the police do at this point?
They told us I think it's 3 days or 5 days they arrest our employer.
Oh, so they made an arrest.
Mm-hmm.
Did they go to his company or did they call
Yes.
him in? What happened?
They go to the office of ours, to the office of the employer.
Okay.
And then they arrest him, and then they put them, and they told, and we didn't see him that time when we were in the police station. But the attorney Lara told us, your employer is here. He's inside. Okay. So they're having conversation on what happened. And I think that's already outgoing finish of the March, February, so it's March already.
Right.
No. I think that's April already because we left and then the thing that we asked the doctor, how about our salary? Don't worry about it, and then we're on process how to make it. So it's add on to the case that he has. They told Dr. Lara told us. So from April 1, we're already in Attard. It's a one flat. I mean, the Porch gave us the basic needs that we have. So it's a good thing as well. Until 2 months, we go another place because they told us, I don't know. They put us in another place that's in Mosta.
Okay.
And
So they moved you there.
Mm-hmm.
In the meantime, though, you're still illegal.
Yes.
So how does that work? Because the police know that you're illegal.
So we're just staying in the house. It's in the flat. Nothing to do.